story.
Got a new boyfriend.
That's my hometown. That's where I
So I'm going to hand this over to our microphone. I was thinking of,
Okay. The Pope could not come, so we have a special surprise for Frank. So this is for your birthday. We did put the 9th because he was born on the 9th, but at home. Went to the hospital the next day, and then the hospital put the 10th. So there's the story. But he has 2 birthdays. So God bless you, and many more stripes for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Which is why I called John Frank, because I was thinking of Pope Francis.
Turn it around.
So I don't want to say it, Frank. It's a pretty cool
That is
letter.
beautiful when you read it. You're the queen of my life. Since I met you, I've been the best that I could ever be. 'Cause you love me so. That's why you're the queen of my